how to spatch-cock a turkey is to remove the center spine. We're going to cut on either side of the spine, removing from the neck down. Carefully cutting to remove the entire neck and the entire back bone. So then we're going to pull this back and just remove the rest of it. Get it completely dislodged. And that is terrific for making your gravy, your soup, your stock. Just butterflying it to spatch-cock it. We're just gonna gently cut right there, just to make it easier. Okay, you have your bird flipped over. You can see that you just take your hand here, pull it out on one side, and just push. And the same to the other. So go back and forth and just make sure that you've heard all the bones snap and that you've properly flattened it. So this is an old-fashioned electric roasting pan, and I'm going to fit it nicely in here. I don't know if you can see it well enough. So it should fit very nicely in one of these large roasting pans. One of the benefits is that it'll cook evenly and faster than if you keep it whole. I'm going to set this at around 400 degrees, and it's going to be absolutely perfect in about 2.5 hours. And this turkey weighs about 16.5 pounds.